Go across here. Another one here. Yeah, we can make that. All these crazy things you can. I might do a little rock in there. Yeah, let's do a little rock in there. So I'm going to use that the same black sort of colour. We'll just put a nice little rock in there, just there. That's coming down here. We're going to go somewhere like this. I need to do that side first, and then I'll do this waterfall and come back and finish the rock off. So yeah, let's have this one come in this way. There we go. That's just flooding down there. Teach me to paint. Don't forget, you can come and visit me on YouTube, Visualfusions Paint and Art. Maybe there's a rock that lives down there and it sort of comes down here. And then there's a rock and maybe it comes off of that rock. So we could just put a little sort of rock that lives there. And then it can come splashing off of that, just to change it up a little bit. Let's see if I can do this. We're going to come here. Well, I need a lot of paint. And then it goes just like that. Let's just lay a bit of highlight on there. Just making this into some rock. There it is. Oh, sorry about my head again. I hate my head. I do kind of need it though. There's a rock. Right, I'm just going to create this water. Where should I have it? Sort of going to need all these little splashes. Going on here. Need some more white. There we go. And then we need to make this water, don't we? So let's just sort of make this sort of water effect here. It's coming down. There we go. Go somewhere to about there. We'll have a load of mist, I think so. I hope everyone's looking at the website. I hope everyone's typing it in on their browser. Look at this. That's complete.